2018 Toyota Corolla. The Corolla is still a great option for those who want dependability, comfort, and value. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, moonroof, power steering, center armrest, power windows, electronic stability control, CD player, heated front seats, rear window defroster, trip computer, brake assist, remote keyless entry, power moonroof, tachometer, panic alarm, driver vanity mirror, tilt steering wheel. This beauty will even make your house keys jealous. Drive it today.